Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Alex here. Now today I have a really cool Samsung feature that a lot of people aren't using or don't even know about. And this feature will allow your phone to announce the name of the person who's calling and also allow you to use your voice to answer or reject the phone call. So you don't even need to physically interact with your phone. And this is really useful if you're ever in the middle of something like cooking and your hands are dirty, or you just can't get to your phone, or you don't want to touch it for whatever reason. You can just use your voice to answer or reject phone calls. It is a really useful feature. So let me show you how it works first, and then I'll show you how to set it up. All right, so I'm just gonna give myself a call.
David Higgins.
And there you go. You can, I don't know if you guys heard that, but Bixby actually announced the name of the caller. And then down here, you can see I have a few options that I can take with my voice. So you can see I can either answer or reject the call. And all I need to do is say, answer phone. And there you go, you can see it answered the phone for me. And you can see it actually answers on speaker, which is really nice because you're not holding the phone, so you won't be able to hear what the other person says unless the phone is on speaker. So it answers on speaker by default because it knows you're probably not holding the phone, which is really great. So yeah, definitely a really cool feature. And if you ever find yourself in those times where you can't get to your phone or you don't want to touch it, I definitely suggest you guys give this a try. Now to set it up, all you need to do is first go to your phone application down here, tap on these three dots, and then go to settings. And in here, you'll see something called answering and ending calls. If you go into here, all you need to do is enable this feature and then actually tap into here and then make sure you select always, because by default it's set to over Bluetooth and headphones only. So you just want to select always, and this way it will always read the name of the caller even if you're not wearing headphones. Now, the next thing you want to do is go to your Bixby app. Now, this comes pre-installed on your Samsung device, so you should already have it. Just tap into here. If it's your first time setting it up, it'll take you through a little setup wizard. But if you've already set it up, all you need to do is tap on this little settings wheel right there, and then go to talk to Bixby without wake up. Tap into here and then just enable this feature. And now you can see we can talk to Bixby. So we can answer the phone, we can reject the call, and we can even use this for alarms and timers. So if we ever want to interact with our alarms or timers using our voice, we can do that. We can dismiss an alarm, snooze it, dismiss the timer, or even restart the timer. But yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to do to get this set up. Now, every time you get a phone call, Bixby will announce the name of the caller and you can answer or reject the call using your voice. Definitely a really cool feature and very useful if you ever find yourself in those situations where you just can't pick up your phone or you don't want to touch it because your hands are dirty or for whatever other reason. Definitely give this feature a try. But yeah, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for future videos to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.